Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Tonight I'm feeling me, gonna make an ugly scene. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm gonna pick myself